Duality in philosophy. As the belief in duality has robbed theology of its greater message, so it has robbed much of the philosophy of the ages of a greater truth. For in philosophy, the belief in duality has created a confusion that is almost as great as that in theology. It has made a philosophy of good and evil in which men have come to believe. True philosophy in every age, however, has perceived that the power back of all things must be one power, and the clearer the thought of unity, the greater has been the philosophy. It has shone forth as a beacon light toward which weary souls have traveled, hoping to find reality. To the great philosophers of all times we owe the advancement of the world, for they have been the great way-showers and helpers of mankind. In reverence, we humbly bow before them as messengers of the Most High, for God has spoken through their lips, and has told us that we are not creatures of the dust, but that we are divine beings, made in the image of perfection, and with an endless destiny. Ernest Holmes, The Science of Mind, complete edition, page 35A, Duality in Philosophy, read by Rich Jarvis RScP of prayersradio.com.